Good morning, just woken up from the Sophie Hotel, heading off to the airport. Going to be making my way to El Nido today. 6-hour coach trip, I heard, or bus. So let's just see what the journey involves.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard AirAsia Flight D2424 to Puerto Princesa, Palawan.
Just booked my transport to El Nido. Should take about 5 hours to get there. On the bus now, heading to El Nido, then up to NACPAN Beach, where I will be staying. Having a quick break before we continue the rest of the journey. Just arrived at my destination in El Nido, NACPAN Beach. Video, I will be going island hopping around El Nido.